Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with wake up and smell the coffee" idiom. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story. Imagine a group of friends planning a surprise party for their friend. One friend, however, doesn't know about the surprise and suggests they invite the friend they're planning the party for. This friend needs to wake up and smell the coffee, meaning they need to become aware of the situation and stop being clueless. The idiom "wake up and smell the coffee" means to become aware of what is happening around you. It's often used to tell someone to stop being naive and see the reality of a situation. To remember the meaning of the idiom, think of the smell of coffee as a metaphor for the reality of a situation. Just as the aroma of coffee can wake you up, the idiom is used to wake someone up to reality. Let me tell you a story. John was always late for work, and his boss had warned him several times. One day, John lost his job because he didn't wake up and smell the coffee. He didn't realize the importance of punctuality and lost his job as a result. Fun fact 1. The idiom originated in the United States in the 20th century. Fun fact 2. The phrase was popularized in the 1980s by the Folgers coffee advertising campaign. Fun fact 3. The idiom is often used in business and personal situations to encourage people to be more aware of their surroundings. Example 1. John, wake up and smell the coffee. You're always late for work. In this context, John is being told to become aware of the importance of punctuality. Example 2. Mary needs to wake up and smell the coffee. Her boyfriend is cheating on her. In this context, Mary is being told to become aware of the reality of her boyfriend's infidelity. Sentence: you need to wake up and smell the coffee before it's too late. Rephrased 1. You need to become aware of the situation before it's too late. Rephrased 2. You need to stop being naive and see what's happening around you. Story: Sarah was always late for class and never paid attention. One day, her teacher told her to wake up and smell the coffee. From that day on, Sarah became more aware of her surroundings and started getting better grades. The idiom had a positive impact on her life. Similar expressions: wake up, wise up, smell the roses, snap out of it. Opposite expressions: sleep on it, turn a blind eye, bury your head in the sand. Related idioms: face the music, get a grip, pull yourself together. Quiz 1. What does the idiom "wake up and smell the coffee" mean? Option 1. To make coffee. Option 2. To become aware of what's happening around you. Option 3. To go back to sleep. Answer: Option 2. The idiom is used to tell someone to become aware of the reality of a situation. Quiz 2. Where did the idiom "wake up and smell the coffee" originate? Option 1. England. Option 2. United States. Option 3. France. Answer: Option 2. The idiom originated in the United States in the 20th century. Quiz 3. What is the idiom "wake up and smell the coffee" often used for? Option 1. To encourage people to be more aware of their surroundings. Option 2. To tell someone to make coffee. Option 3. To encourage people to sleep more. Answer: Option 1. The idiom is often used in business and personal situations to encourage people to be more aware of their surroundings. In summary, the idiom "wake up and smell the coffee" means to become aware of what's happening around you. You can remember the meaning by thinking of the aroma of coffee as a metaphor for the reality of a situation. Use the idiom to encourage people to be more aware of their surroundings and stop being naive. Don't forget to share your story with the idiom and encourage others to wake up and smell the coffee.